Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming batid. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon.
At magandang hapon po. Dito na po tayo sa ating second game. It is the NCF Tigers versus the ACLC Think Pro. Isang magandang laban na naman po ang ating mapapanood kasama ang inyong mga commentators. I am Christina Caza-Reyes and with me is Jasper Avante.
We are coming to you live here from the Naga College Foundation covered court at magandang bakbakan yung naghihintay na naman sa atin for the second game of our Saturday action. Talagang maganda din because it's the NCF Tigers undefeated team for Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. And of course, ACLC Think Pro Hawks still looking for their first win this season. And magandang bakbakan to dahil malakas na team versus uhaw sa panalo na team. Magandang performance kaya yung matutunghayan natin, lalo na you have mentioned earlier, Tin, na 6 players lang yung maglalaro here for the NCF Tigers with the absence of their players na nagpa-participate or naglalaro ngayon for the regional prisa in the province of Sorsogon. Napakagandang laban. Grabe yung partida dito ng ating Tigers. 6 players kontra sa kumpletong players ng ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
At ngayon titingnan natin, Jasper, kung malaki ba yung kawalan dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. But looking at their body, their height advantage compared sa ACLC Think Pro, malaki pa rin yung kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. And to hear an update kung ano nga ba yung gagawing preparation dito ng NCF Tigers, we have our courtside reporter, Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan? At babalikan nga po natin ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng NCF Tigers. Because dito sa ating first quarter, magkakaroon na tayo ng ating jump ball. It's Momoni and Guarin sa side ng ACLC Think Pro. At ngayon, kanina nga Jasper, sinabi ko din kanina na yung height advantage dito ng NCF Tigers, kahit kulang sila sa mga players, yung kanilang mga height naman dito talagang panglaban din. Dahil itong ang ating ACLC Think Pro, yung isa sa pinakabatang mga manlalaro dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. So meron kayang pagbabago sa game plan ng NCF Tigers, knowing that a lot of their players, or hindi nga kalahati, halos lahat ng players ng NCF Tigers ay wala ngayon. But now, NCF Tigers kayang-kayang gumawa ng paraan para dyan. At ngayon, babalikan na nga natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Marahay na daw, Bicolandia, get ready for another heart-pounding showdown here at the NCF covered court as the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup 2025 heats up. Hatid sa inyo ng GNN TV48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Casey Anchokya, your courtside reporter, bringing you exclusive updates straight from the home of the champions, the NCF Tigers. The Tigers, still on their winning streak, are looking to extend their dominance as they take on another opponent today. Earlier, I talked to Jimo Mumuni of Tigers, and he mentioned that the team's secret to success is consistency and hard work and determination. He shared that every win is a product of relentless training, trust in their system, and an unwavering commitment to improvement. With their momentum at an all-time high, the question is, can they keep the fire burning and secure another victory? Stay tuned as the game progresses, and that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. Grabe, 6-0 run agad yung ginagawa ng ating NCF Tigers dito. Dalawang pukol ng 3. And let's take a look once again, Joshua Ayo, sa pangatlong 3 ng NCF Tigers. 9-0 run for our first quarter. Grabe to, Tin. Napakagandang performance ang pinapakita dito. And that first blood here for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Napakagandang performance despite of their players na 6 lang sila, with the fact na isang player lang ang pwedeng magpahinga sa kanila kung sakaling kailangan nila ng yun nga, pahinga. So this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Chen, take it away.
Good afternoon, Teen and Jasper, and of course, hello sa aming mga Oragon viewers. We are now on the third week of the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, and we will be now witnessing the matchup between the ACLC Think Pro Hawks and the NCF Tigers. As I got a little conversation with their coach, their preparation is that expected na nila that the NCF Tigers is one of the best team for this league. Pero ika nga niya, this is the great opportunity for them to play in this tournament dahil kahit alam nila na sila ang pinakabata sa lahat ng teams, mas naging maganda ang outcome sa mga players to improve their skills in this kind of level. They are going to play better dahil whatever happens nga at the end of the game, may learning silang nakukuha. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa nag-iisang liga ng mga Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, kahit nga anong mangyari, napaka-positive pa rin ang mindset itong ating ACLC Think Pro dahil nga every game na nilalaro nila dito, pagkatapos nito, talagang ang dami nilang natututunan, knowing, paulit-ulit nating sinasabi na sila yung pinakabatang team dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Ang dami nilang pwedeng matutunan sa mga veterans, sa mga collegiate players, na talagang pwede nilang dalhin sa mga next competition, next games na kanilang lalaroin dito. And knowing that NCF Tigers yung makakalaban nila dito, talagang they will give their best dahil nga isang magandang laban na naman yung makikita natin ngayon. And as we can see right now, it is ACLC Think Pro ball possession as Rempilio now with the ball and 15 seconds to shoot, 13-4 on our scoreboard. Now Guarin, pass here to Tolosa, back to Guarin. Now on the outside para dito.
No good on that attempt by Basagre. And here comes the NCF Tigers, Tiburcio. Grabe, dalawang bantay ni Tiburcio pero di diretso para makakuha ng puntos, pero Guarin naman agad na manggaganti dito on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. 5 minutes and 24 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now Joshua Ayo di diretso ngayon para tumira ng dos, and magandang palitan ng puntos din yung natutunghayan natin dito. Let's see kung sino ang makakasungkit ng panalo for our second game ngayong Sabado. And now Guarin on the outside looking for a good opportunity. Now to Basagre on the left wing. Now, nahihirapang pumasok dito Basagre. To Tolosa. No good as the shot clock expires.
At ngayon nga, Jasper, nakikita natin, hindi disadvantage doon sa side ng NCF Tigers na meron lang silang 6 na players. And they still give their all dito. Most especially, ang gaganda ng larong pinapakita dito ng players ng NCF Tigers. But now, let's take a look at it again. Doon sa mga remaining O doon sa naunang minuto ng ating first quarter with 3-pointers coming from the side of NCF Tigers and of course doon din sa side ng ACLC Think Pro na talagang nilalaban nila up until the end. Ito talaga yung maganda dito sa ACLC na kada laro nila, hindi lang nila tinitingnan yung pagkatalo nila but at the same time, tinitingnan nila kung ano ba yung matututunan nila doon sa mga makakalaban nila. And now, let's see as we continue our first quarter here, 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining, kung anong gagawin ditong pagbabago strategy ng ACLC Think Pro para habulin din naman yung kalamangan na nagawa agad ng NCF Tigers dito sa ating first quarter. Now, isang player muna ang ipinahinga dito sa side. It's Betito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Cervantes checks in para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, Mase passes to Guarin. Si Guarin yung nakikipagsabayan dito sa sizes ng NCF Tigers. But at last, sequence para dito kay Vargas. And now Margalio with that ball. Now step back. No good. Vargas with that rebound. Pero ayo. Babawiin yung ball possession na yan against Mase. Now tries. In and out ball. But Mumuni was there. Pero Guarin yung kukuha ng bola. Now back-to-back steal para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan.
Alwin Margalio to jersey number 38 di diretso. Grabe. Talagang siniguro na yun ni Tiburcio. And a fast break opportunity also for Basagre. Now Alwin Margalio to Jimo Mumoni on the side of the NCF Tigers. And now Cervantes to Joshua Ayo. Titingnan natin kung ano yung ipapakita nila dito. Joshua Ayo asking for a screen pero dumiretso na siya dito. Kitang-kita naman natin yan, Tin. Talagang walang pinapalampas na minuto. Walang pinapalampas na segundo itong ating NCF Tigers with that long pass to Tolosa of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Tolosa, mahihirapan nga dyan. Pero 3-point play opportunity pa yung makukuha niya dyan. Grabe, parang dalawang poste yung dinaanan doon ni Tolosa. O tingnan mo naman yan, Tin. 3-point play opportunity here on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Ang ating score is 23-10 and a chance here. No good on that 3-point play opportunity. Alwin Margalio here for the NCF Tigers with 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining for our first quarter.
Now Cervantes heavily guarded here, no good, but Momoni was there. Still no good para dito sa NCF Tigers. Nagmamadali dito, Basagre, passes to Mase. No good, but Basagre was there for their second chance point. At isa sana sa maganda dito, Jasper. Magkakatapatan sana dito sina Franco Mase and Francis Mase, ang magkapatid na talagang napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila sa kanilang team. But sadly, hindi sila ngayon nagtapat. But now, a good performance coming from Francis Mase. Now, NCF Tigers with this ball possession. Ayo, heavily guarded here. 18 seconds to shoot. Ayo. Pass to Margalio, now to the other side, Cervantes. There's a whistled foul there at tatawagan nga ng foul si Vargas sa side ng ACLC Think Pro. So, Cervantes will be on that free throw line for 2 shots.
Grabe, yung challenge pa lang, Tin, na kailangan mong pagkasayin yung stamina mo for 4 quarters ng isang basketball game. Talagang napakalaking challenge na for the NCF Tigers dahil grabe talaga. 6 na players and isang player lang yung pwedeng magpahinga sa kanila at a time. So, yung pagkakasayin mo yung stamina mo sa ilang minuto na takbuhan, talagang napakalaking challenge na. But as we can see, lamang po ang ating NCF Tigers. 12 puntos pong abante sila kontra dito sa ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks with Joshua Ayo on the outside, well guarded here. And the same ball possession for the NCF Tigers as jersey number 20 of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Matatawagan dito ng foul. That is Sandigan. And now Jimo losing that ball, and a turnover here for the Think Pro Hawks. 2 free throws here for Jimo Mumune of the NCF Tigers.
At nga, kanina nga Jasper, sinasabi mo na talagang kailangan nilang mas pahabain yung kanilang energy dito kasi walang palitan. Isa lang yung pwedeng umupo sa kupunan ng NCF Tigers. At wala din dito ngayon si Coach Brian sa side ng NCF Tigers. And it is Coach Dennis taking over para sa kupunan ng NCF. So ano yung gagawin nila? Can they maintain their momentum up until the last quarter? O gagawing advantage ng ECLC Think Pro yung kakulangan ng players ng NCF Tigers para gumawa ng mga gandang gameplay? And as we can see right now, Momoni fighting for that rebound. Now Ayo going inside, pass here to Cervantes. And a basket count with the foul. At kahit nga maliliit yung players dito ng ACLC Think Pro, doon sa ating instant replay, kitang-kita natin nakikipaglaban sila sa loob dyan sa mga matatangkad na players ng NCF Tigers. And that instant replay is brought to you by Safe Gasoline Station.
Now, Sandigan, medyo napapadalas dito yung foul ni Sandigan. I think it's his second foul for this game. And now, jersey number 5, Vargas. Now, no good on that attempt by jersey number 8. And it's the NCF Tigers once again on the offense. Now, jersey number 33, Tiburcio to Cervantes on the outside. Handing it to Joshua Ayo. And now, a blind pass to Margalio Sana, pero out of bounds as the Think Pro Hawks will take that ball possession. He's still here coming from Cervantes. Di diretso. Matatawagan nga dyan ng offensive foul. Cervantes.
Now, we only have 43 seconds remaining here and the big gap coming from NCF Tigers. Pero yung malaking katanungan dito, can they maintain that big gap against ACLC Think Pro? So now let's see here as we continue this game. Masik.
That's still a question mark din dahil first quarter pa lamang yung ating laban. Now, Razon, di diretso for the Think Pro Hawks. Pull-up jumper, no good. Now, Cervantes to Alwin Margalio. Grabe talaga yung paglipad dito ni Alwin Margalio. That is a missed opportunity on the side of the Tigers. But, medyo nahirapan dun si Cervantes dahil tatlo yung umaatake sa kanya. And he missed once again opportunity of the NCF Tigers. 15 seconds remaining for our first quarter. And now Sandigan from Suarez. Now on the corner. No good on that shot by Razon. Once again, for the third time, Mumone is there. Now Joshua Ayo. No good on that buzzer beater. And that's the end of our first quarter. 29-14. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter, brought to you by 3N Bakery.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, maorad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kapero ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto lang.
And we are back here at the Naga College Foundation covered court for the second quarter of action. It's the NCF Tigers versus the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. And now, malaking lamang yung nagawa dito ng ating NCF Tigers for that first quarter. And still a question mark din kung kaya ba nilang masustain yung kanilang stamina, energy for the rest of the game dahil we're still nasa second quarter pa lang tayo, mahaba-haba pang takbuhan yung matutunghayan natin. And it's not just run, but it's offense and defense for both of these teams. And now Jimo Momone is standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws and his second attempt. Let's take a look at this. Jimo getting his 2 free throws for the NCF Tigers. And now it's the ball possession of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks Santigan.
And now, during that first quarter of the game, the NCF Tigers agad-agad nagpakitang kilos dito. And meron naman silang disadvantage on their members, on their players. Talagang hindi pa rin nawala sa kanila yung magandang gameplay nila dito. And also sa side naman ng ACLC Think Pro, kahit meron silang disadvantage sa height, ginagawa nilang paraan is yung kanilang liksi galing sa loob ng court. But at the same time, dito sa ating second quarter, patuloy-tuloy sa pagbibigay ng magagandang puntos itong NCF Tigers with that last 3-pointer coming from
Joshua Ayo of the NCF Tigers. Napakagandang performance din yung pinapakita dito ng NCF Tigers despite na 6 lang sila. So let's see kung paano dito mag-take advantage itong ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks dahil ayun na nga, iilan lang sila dito yung ating NCF Tigers. Now Joshua Ayo. And a whistle here. Foul coming from jersey number 17 of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now, it's the same ball possession for the NCF Tigers. Grabe. That will be a traveling violation for jersey number 7 of the NCF Tigers, Betito, brought to you by Naga Travel and Tours. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tien and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of the game. During the huddle nga, Coach Harvey orders to do the defense that they are going to do the fast recovery. They are also reminded to expand their energy and read the situation. Nagsisimula pa lamang ang laro, kaya kailangan nilang mas sipagan pa at huwag matakot makipagsabayan. Yan lamang ang latest dito sa side ng Hawks. Balik sa inyo.
And while Chen is reporting, Joshua Ayo a long 3 from the NCF Tigers. Maraming salamat Chen for that update on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Talagang mapapanganga ka na lang din sa mga pangyayari dito sa NCF covered court. Kaya yung mga gusto gusto makapanood dyan ng top tier basketball actions, talagang high quality games, punta lamang kayo dito. Dahil still, our OPL Season 1 Elavil Cup patuloy na naghahatid po ng top tier basketball actions. And now Vargas on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now jersey number 17 well guarded and still coming from Joshua Ayo. Matatawagan nga dyan ang holding foul, Joshua Ayo. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter KC on the side of the NCF Tigers. KC, take it away.
Jasper and Tin, the Tigers are off to a good start, securing an early lead against the ACLC Think Pro Hawks during the first quarter of this game. Back-to-back points nga agad ang ipinamalas ng Tigers, and they just have to keep their momentum going in order for them to own this game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, nasa NCF Tigers pa rin yung momentum na meron tayo dito sa ating second quarter. 41-18 ang ating puntos ngayon at napakalaki pa rin ng kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. But at the same time, ACLC Think Pro, grabe din yung nilalaban dito, grabe din yung hinahabol na puntos against NCF Tigers at hindi din sila nagpapahuli doon sa depensang ipinapakita nila kahit napakalaki ng disadvantage nila sa lahat ng teams na meron tayo sa Oragon Basketball League. Pero yung napaka-positive lang talaga ng mindset ng ACLC Think Pro. Now 6 minutes and 33 seconds remaining dito sa ating laro. And now Basagre once again getting that basket, adjusting that point, at talagang hindi din talaga sila nagpapahuli dito against NCF Tigers. Now on the other side, Margallo passes here to Betito. Now Margallo dire-diretso. No good, but a whistled foul. So he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. At of course, Jasper, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors ngayon. Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, City Administrator Lito Del Rosario, Tita Loida's Kitchenette, Anjana Trading, owned and managed by Mr. Simon D. Angel's Pizza, located inside the Asiana Mall's ground floor.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pag-support. And as we can see, Alwin Margallo standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws, and that was good for his second attempt. 24 big points yung hawak ng ating NCF Tigers dito, despite na 6 lang sila 10. And now Basagre to Razon. Now to jersey number 8. No good on that, and Bumuni getting that defensive rebound. Ayo once again for long 3, in and out ball. Grabe yung accuracy nitong si Joshua Ayo, napakaganda. Now he picks Alwin Margallo to do the move. Pull up jumper for Alwin Margallo. Grabe. Still, napakagandang performance yung ipinapakita dito ng ating NCF Tigers. And now ACLC Think Pro Hawks Razon. Now gonna that triple. Now Jimo Mumuni. Grabe. Jimo Mumuni nagdalawang isip kung ilolong pass niya ba yun kay Alwin Margallo, pero parang tinitipid na nila dito din yung kanilang energy. Let's see, Jimo fighting for 3, but sayang yung shot na yon ni Joshua Ayo.
And now Razon pass here to jersey number 28, and Razon getting that basket, at mapapatawag nga ng timeout itong ating NCF Tigers. Now let's take a look at it again. Kahit si Jimo na napakataas, hindi talaga binitawan ditong ating ACLC Think Pro. And with this time, I called by the NCF Tigers, ito yung mga moments na kailangan nilang magpahinga. Talagang isipin yung kanilang mga next moves dahil meron pa tayong natitirang 2 quarter sa larong ito. It will be a long fight for NCF Tigers and ACLC Think Pro. So these 2 teams kailangan talagang gumawa ng napakagandang paraan dito, most especially sa side ng ACLC Think Pro, na talagang kailangan nilang pagtuunan ng pansin yung kanilang depensa. At kung hindi man, because of that height advantage of NCF Tigers, they need to focus more on their offense. Pwede nilang pasukin yung mga hindi nababantayan ng NCF Tigers. Yung liksi, yung magiging sandata nila ngayon dito against NCF Tigers. Now, this will be the ball possession of NCF Tigers. 46-22, that's a big gap of NCF Tigers. Now, let's see here as Margallo with that ball. NCF Tigers on the offense now. Mumuni looking for his teammate. Passes here to Margallo. 14 seconds to shoot here. Now Margallo. Papasok ba sa loob? Na passes here to Jimo. Now Jimo tries. No good. But a whistled foul. Itatawag dito kay Arroyo. So Jimo, again, will be on that free throw line. 46-22. And of course, shoutout din sa ating mga live audience na patuloy na sumusubaybay, nanonood sa laro ng ACLC Think Pro and NCF Tigers. Shoutout to Mercy Palpalatok, kay RVG Santa Rosa at kay Rick Porta. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, Jimo, second free throw. See here. That's good. And even free throws, napakaganda ng performance dito ng percentage ng NCF Tigers.
Now, ACLC Think Pro Hawks on the offense, jersey number 3, Tolosa. And now, jersey number 14, Guarin on the outside. Makikipag-agawan nga dito si Jimo Mumone. And now, Guarin. Oh, it's an out of bounds. turnover here for the NCF Tigers. And now, jersey number 7, Betito. Grabe yung advantage dito. Yung ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks, pero parang baliktad yung scoring natin din. Mas lamang dito yung ating NCF Tigers, but Guarin or Razon rather still showing the crowd na hindi sila basta-basta kayang-kaya nila makipagsabayan. And Jimmo Momoni almost getting that slam from the NCF Tigers. And now Razon to jersey number 29. That will be a traveling violation. Hatid pa rin sa atin yan ng Nagayan Travel and Tours. 26 big points yung kailangang panindigan dito ng ating NCF Tigers. 3 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. And it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
And let's not cross out the fact na kahit malaki yung advantage dito ng ACLC Think Pro, malalaki yung kalaban nilang NCF Tigers. But also, hindi din naman nagpapahuli itong ating Think Pro. Talagang andyan pa rin yung energy nila, yung napakagandang connection ng kanilang mga players na kailangan na lang nilang paglaruan talaga dito sa loob ng court. Now, Cervantes with that steal. And no good on that last sequence. 50-24. That's a 26-point lead of NCF Tigers. Very big gap yung kanilang nagagawa dito. Now, Betito, 10 seconds to shoot. Papasok sa loob. And they will get that basket. At nandito na nga po tayo sa remaining 2 minutes and 49 seconds. And Cervantes once again stealing that ball sa side ng ACLC Think Pro. Now, Basagre going inside. Passes to Razon. No good.
Magandang connection sana yon from Razon. Pero malaki talaga yung bantay nila dun tin eh. So let's take a look. Joshua Ayo, di diretso aatake. A kicked ball violation. And the ball will still remain on the side of the NCF Tigers with Tiburcio for that sideline inbound. And nakikita naman natin na the NCF Tigers is still utilizing their size advantage kontra dito sa ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now, NCF Tigers, Betito to Margalio. What a shot for Alwin Margalio. Grabe, inikot niya pa yun. Sinabayan niya pa ng talon. But Guarin rejected by jersey number 26. Napaupo na lang talaga dito itong si Cervantes. Now, Alwin Margalio on the outside. Joshua Ayo still on the outside. Firing for 3. Patay na naman. Clean basket. Joshua Ayo, brought to you by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Napakagandang performance. And now, Poon, masasabayan naman dito ni Joshua Ayo. That will be a 2 free throws on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Talagang mai-entertain ka din dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Hindi lang sa magagaling yung players nila, talagang magaganda yung performance na pinapakita nila. With their advantages, talagang gamit na gamit.
Now pulling for his second free throw here. No good. Kaya kailangan bumawi ng ating ACLC Think Pro sa kanilang mga free throw shots and free throw opportunities. Now, 10 seconds to shoot here for ACLC. Guarin passes to Tolosa. Tolosa, heavily guarded here, getting that basket. At mapapatawag nga na timeout dyan ang ating ACLC Think Pro. Now, it's 55-28 on our scoreboard. Now, tingnan natin yung mga game highlights dito sa ating second quarter. NCF Tigers still dominating this quarter even though they are on the disadvantage side with only 6 players playing now. A minute and 13 seconds remaining. Now, ACLC Think Pro, they need to think another strategy on how can they lessen that gap of NCF Tigers because at this point, hindi pa rin napapagod sa paglaro, itong mga players ng NCF Tigers, mas determinado silang makuha yung panalo ngayon para talaga kahit konti lang yung kanilang mga players, maganda pa rin yung performance na ipinapakita nila dito. Now, let's go back to our ball game of ACLC Think Pro and NCF Tigers.
Na itong NCF Tigers natin, doon sila nagtitake advantage sa timeout itong ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks dahil maliban sa nakakapag-adjust sila ng kanilang game plan, talagang nakakapagpahinga sila. So na-preserve nila yung kanilang energy hanggang matapos yung isang quarter. Napakagandang strategy naman to for the NCF Tigers. Now, yun lang naman talaga yung kailangan kasi yung lakas, yung advantage sa laki nasa kanila na yung energy at stamina na lang na kailangan nilang i-preserve up until the end of this game. Now, it's out of bounds. Another missed opportunity by the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Turnover here for the NCF Tigers with Joshua Ayo for that baseline inbound. And now jersey number 26, Cervantes.
Now, 46 seconds remaining here. Ano pang gagawin ng NCF Tigers dito para ma-maintain yung magandang momentum sa kanilang kupunan? Now, Ayo again to release the 3. No good this time. But that ball will stay sa side ng NCF Tigers with 14 seconds to shoot and 34 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Again, it is 55-28 in favor of NCF Tigers. Margallo now to inbound. Now Margallo hahanap dito. It's Cervantes now heavily guarded here. At nakuha pa yung puntos na yan ng NCF. Now Razon passes to Poon. Now Lovido. And paunti-unti yung ginagawa dito ng ACLC Think Pro. Now with 15 seconds to shoot here. Can the NCF end it with a bang here? For our second quarter, Margallo heavily guarded. Now Margallo goes inside, passes here. Pero mapupunta sa side ng ACLC. But it will be the end of this quarter. 57-30 on our scoreboard in favor of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for our second half only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon brought to you by MNL KINGPIN.
So completely, yo.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive.
Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Hold on, catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicka Slim Shady with rabies. I'm blowing at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all in his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. You're the single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit. This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies,
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences,
My school is the best foundation to become what we
College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ano, morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon. Ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit.
Ano, morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back here at the Naga College Foundation covered court for the third quarter or the second half of this action. 27 big points ang hawak na kalamangan ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. And this time, let's take a look of our tropa of the game watching live here at the NCF Tigers covered court, brought to you by Sip Plus Electrolyte Drink. Ayan ang ating mga tropa of the game, as you can see on your screens. Syempre, once again, brought to us by Sip Plus Electrolyte Drink. Maraming salamat po. And this time, back to the ball game. Poon, what an early statement for the third quarter on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now, NCF Tigers, Joshua Ayo on the outside to Tiburcio. And now, Hervantes naman ngayon gagawa ng diskarte.
Now, it's still coming from the side of ACLC Think Pro, pero andyan si Margayo para kunin muli ang bola para sa side ng NCF Tigers. Now, Ayo for a quick three. No good. Green with that rebound. Now, let's take a look at it again during that first half. The NCF Tigers, paulit-ulit natin sinasabi, they are on the disadvantage side, but at the same time, napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. Kahit kukonti lang sila, only 6 players they have right now with this game against ACLC Think Pro. At again, Ayo, Margayo, and the rest of the players of NCF Tigers patuloy sa pagbibigay ng magandang performance dito. While on the other side, dito sa side ng ACLC Think Pro, yung kanilang liksi, yung nagiging puhunan nila ngayon dito against NCF Tigers. And it will be good for their team na ngayon pa lang, third quarter pa lang, talagang lalaruin na nila. Magandang performance yung kanilang ibibigay nila dito to lessen that pickup of NCF Tigers. And Margalio now on that free throw line. At ano pa kaya yung gagawin dito ni Coach Dennis na mga strategies for NCF Tigers para yung kanilang laro dito hindi magbago kahit pagod na sila dito. And now, meron pang isang quarter, actually 2 quarter pa yung kanilang kailangan na paglabanan dito. And to hear an update sa side ng ating NCF Tigers, andyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Tin and Jasper, patuloy nga ang magandang performance na ipinapakita ng Tigers dito sa hardcourt. With their effortless gameplay, lalo pang lumulobo ang kanilang kalamangan laban sa Think Pro Hawks. May singit ko nga lang, Tin and Jasper, no? The team has only 6 players for this game, ngunit hindi yan humahadlang sa exceptional performance na kanilang ipinapamalas. Patuloy nga nating subaybayan ang larong ito up until the final buzzer only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. Nakikita pa rin natin, Tin, yung laro nitong ating NCF Tigers. Even we are on the third quarter, talagang parang yung energy nila galing pa nung first quarter, Tin, pero parang walang iniindang pagod itong mga players na ito. With the fact, ayun na nga, ulit-ulit tayo, 6 lang sila. Now, Joshua Ayo, and out of bounds as the ACLC Think Pro Hawks will take that ball possession. And this time, let's hear an update from the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. As we head into the second half of the game, the Hawks should respond soundly to the call of duty, which is to anchor the offense and to provide the biggest defense that they can show into this game. Patuloy lang na paalala during the huddle na huwag matakot makipagsabayan dahil kailangan nilang patunayan na kaya nilang makipagsabayan sa mga Tigre. Hindi lang sa larangan ng galaw o skills, kundi sa pagtutulungan bilang isang team. Ilalaban nila ang larong ito dahil kahit bata sila, kaya at papatunayan nila. That's it for now. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen.
Ayan nga, all out na performance ng ACLC Think Pro dito. At isa nga sa highlight dito ni Chen yung connection ng mga players.
Now, it's the NCF Tigers, Joshua Ayo. Matitigilan dito. Alvin Margalio mukhang nagpapahinga ata atin. But it's not just like that because NCF Tigers is now on the 29-point lead.
Napakalaki.
And yes, and the ACLC Think Pro Hawks, anong gagawin dito? Makakakuha pa nga siya ng 3 points. Itong sipon, grabe. Nabanggit nga kanina natin ni Chen, Call of Duty. Naku, Call of Duty talaga to for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Napakalalakas ng kanilang kalaban. Akalain mo 6 sila and third quarter na to. Isa-isa lang sa kanila yung nagpapahinga. Pero napakagandang performance pa rin. Yung patuloy na ibinibigay, ipinapakita kontra dito sa ACLC Think Pro Hawks. 72-42, 30 big points na nga yung lamang nila 10. Napakaganda. Commendable effort, commendable performance for this 6-man or yung 6 players na naglalaro for the NCF Tigers. Now 5 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. What a shot for Joshua Ayo. Parang binabato niya na lang yung bola eh. Basta na lang pumasok dun sa basket. But it's with that skill and talent of Joshua Ayo. Pero agad namang gaganti dito Tolosa on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
At ngayon nga, sinabi ko na kanina, isa si highlight dito ni Chen, yung communication and connection nitong ating ACLC Think Pro. Dahil yun yung maging advantage nila ngayon. Kung meron silang magandang good connection, they can convert a point and they can lessen that pickup of NCF Tigers. Now, let's take a look at it again on that last sequence kung ano yung nangyari. And natawagan nga ng foul dito si Vargas. And that will be a 32-point lead. Napakalaking kalamangan po coming from NCF Tigers. At mukhang dadagdagan pa dito ni Cervantes. No good on that free throw. Now, ACLC Think Pro at this moment, they need to step up right now. Big man of ACLC Think Pro on the offense, defense as well. And itong namang mga shooters ng ACLC Think Pro, kailangan siguraduhin nila na papasok lahat ng kanilang mga puntos dito. Now, a point conversion after that, itong si Basagre na talagang isa sa mga nag-step up for ACLC Think Pro. But again, once again, it is Joshua Ayo for a 3-pointer here for NCF Tigers. That would be a great performance coming from him. Compared doon sa kanyang last game dito, ito, yung laro ni Joshua Ayo, napakaganda nung ipinapakita niya dito. Now, ACLC with this offense, pero mapupunta ang ball possession sa side ng NCF Tigers.
3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining for our third quarter. 79-46. 33 big points yung hawak nitong ating NCF Tigers, and that timeout has called on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. So, ayun na nga, na-mention ko rin kanina din na bukod sa nakakapag-adjust itong ating NCF Tigers dun sa kanilang game plan, talagang nakakapagpahinga sila dahil may natitira pa tayong 3 minutes and 47 seconds for the third quarter, and still meron pa tayong fourth and final quarter. Nakot, kailangan talaga nilang i-preserve ng mahaba-haba pa yung kanilang energy and stamina, of course, for our third and fourth quarter. Now, let's see. Since it's their ball possession with Joshua Ayo, Alwin Margalio for that sideline inbound.
Now, NCF Tigers on the offense once again. Jimbo with this ball. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Now, Jimbo heavily guarded by Tolosa, no good. Now, ACLC Think Pro, kailangan nilang gumawa dito ng point conversion. Na jersey number 24 with that mid-range jumper. Babawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers, but it is still a big gap. A lot of things na kailangan pa nilang gawin dito sa third and final quarter. Now, Ayo, dire-diretso sa loob. Napaka-consistent nung laro dito ni Ayo from the first quarter of this matchup up until now. Grabe yung shooting niya dito at talagang malaki din yung tulong niya sa depensa ng NCF Tigers. But now, Vargas, papasok sa loob di alintana yung mga gwardiya dyan ng NCF Tigers. And we only have 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining now. Now, Tiburcio. Mapupunta ang bola sa side ng ACLC Think Pro. Once again, jersey number 24. Passes to Razon. Now, Razon, papasok sa loob. Vargas. In and out ball. Jimo with that rebound. He secured that one. 81-50, 31-point lead of NCF Tigers. Cervantes. Munti ka na mula ang bola. Now Jimo was there. Passes to Tiburcio. Heavily guarded by Razon. Pero nakuha ni Tiburcio yung puntos na yan. And after that last sequence, a turnover. Lost opportunity for ACLC Think Pro.
Now, 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. So let's take a look at this with Joshua Ayo for that sideline inbound. And now Alwin Margalio missed the opportunity. Sayang yon. But this time, it's jersey number 17 against Cervantes. Now, long pass here. Tiburcio naman titira ng 3. Grabe. Clean basket for Tiburcio, extending their lead against the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now Razon. Grabe. Still aggressive. NCF Tigers still roaring for the third quarter of our action, or for this game. Jimo Momoni with that steal. Mahuhuli niya pa dyan si Tolosa. Once again, Razon for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
Now, a minute and 27 seconds right now for our third quarter. Still the score. Still a big gap coming from NCF Tigers. And now, this ball possession of ACLC Think Pro. Vargas to inbound. Now, anong gagawin nila dito with only 12 seconds to shoot? Jersey number 24, no good. And Tiburcio with that rebound. I've recorded here anong gagawin ngayon ng NCF Tigers dahil napakalaki ng kanilang kalamangan. Pero hindi pa rin sila naging complacent dito sa kanilang laro. And they still give their all here. Now Tiburcio, long 3. Too short for that one. So an opportunity for ACLC Think Pro.
Now ACLC Think Pro Hawks are still here coming from Alvin Margallo of the NCF Tigers. Now, ipapasa yan dito kay Joshua Ayo. Long 3. Joshua Ayo in and out ball. Another muntik opportunity here for Joshua Ayo. And now Razon, diretso. Makakakuha nga dyan ng 2 free throws on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Napakagandang opportunity na mapawasan yung lamang dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Razon for his 2 free throws. Now, ganun that. First attempt by Razon. And syempre din, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safegas, DELIGOLD Philippines, and Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. Now, NCF Tigers, Joshua Ayo to Alvin Margallo on the outside. Sabi ni Alvin, teka lang, dahan-dahan. Let's take a look at this. Alvin Margallo on the outside. Diretso ngayon, aatake. Grabe, sayang yun. Napakagandang movement and missed opportunity for jersey number 17. But jersey number 24 is there to save that ball. And now Alvin Margallo with 10 seconds on the third quarter. Out of bounds. Same ball possession tayo dito for the NCF Tigers. Anong gagawin nila dito? 3 seconds. Will they end this third quarter with a bang? Let's take a look at this. Cervantes to Ayo. Grabe talaga tong NCF Tigers natin. And that's the end of our third quarter. Let's take a look at this once again. Cervantes. But there is Joshua Ayo to save or to convert that shot. And that's the end of our third quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, mahurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi.
And we are back for our last quarter of this matchup of NCF Tigers and ACLC Think Pro. And now we can see the big difference of the score of NCF and ACLC Think Pro. This is the last quarter, so both teams talagang all-out na performance na yung kailangan nilang ipakita dito. But this will be a big advantage for NCF Tigers dahil napakalaki ng kalamangan na meron sila ngayon against ACLC Think Pro, but no room for complacency at all. Dahil nga straight quarters na naglalaro itong mga players ng NCF Tigers. So talagang yun yung advantage naman sa side ng ACLC Think Pro na kailangan nilang gawan ng paraan mas maging maliksi sila dito against NCF Tigers. And during that last quarters, it was Joshua Ayo on the side of NCF Tigers na napakaganda ng performance na ipinakita dito sa kanilang side. A lot of outside shooting from the defense to offense. Joshua Ayo talagang isa sa mga nag-stand out na players dito sa larong ito against ACLC Think Pro. And now, sa side naman ng ACLC Think Pro, andyan din naman sila Basagre, big man veterans, we have Vargas, Tolosa, and the rest of the players of ACLC Think Pro. Now, this is 90-59. 31-point lead of NCF Tigers. So let's see with this last quarter, kung dito sa side ng NCF Tigers, patuloy ba yung kanilang pagpuntos dito, at sa side naman ng ACLC Think Pro, ano yung gagawin nila para mabawasan yung kalamangan na meron ng NCF Tigers. On this final quarter, medyo malayo-layo. Kailangan pa nila ng doble effort yung gagawin dito ng ACLC Think Pro. And speaking of effort, ano yung adjustment dito ng ACLC Think Pro? At andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na sa Chan para magbigay ng balita.
Well, thank you, Tian and Jasper. We are now on the fourth and last quarter of the game. Kaya kinakailangan ngayon ng Hawks na ibigay ang all-out na galing and to finish this game strong. Dahil kung ano man nga ang maging resulta, sabi nga ni Coach, this is the great opportunity for them to grow and to have skills in this league. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Shanna. That update from the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Ayun na nga, at nakikita naman natin yung kanilang pagbawi for this quarter. And 95-59, baliktaran yung ating scoring ngayon, 7 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Mahaba-haba pa yung oras nating natitira for our fourth and final quarter. And it's still hard for the NCF Tigers na pagkasyahin yung kanilang energy up until sa ating buzzer. Now, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey on the side of the NCF Tigers. Casey, take it away.
We are now down on the fourth and final quarter of this game at ang energy ng team ay consistent pa rin, Tin and Jasper. It seems like they're all just enjoying the game while of course providing an impeccable showdown. They are owning this game up, kaya naman stay tuned as you witness the winning moment of the emerging team for this game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, nag-enjoy na lang itong NCF Tigers, but at the same time, binibigay pa rin nila yung best nila dito sa laro against ACLC Think Pro, which is good. Talagang both teams, napaka-positive lang ng attitude, kaya naman talagang napakaganda din nung lumalabas na performance dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. But as we can see right now, with that 7 to 22 seconds remaining, kailangan humabol, kailangan pag-igihan yung laban dito. But on that last sequence, a point conversion coming from the side of ACLC Think Pro and NCF Tigers, Alvin Margallo and Chimo, no good on that 2 attempts of this team. Now ACLC Think Pro, dire-diretso, no good. Cervantes without rebound.
Joshua Ayo naman. Now, Alvin Margallo fighting for 3, nothing but the net. Another clean basket here for the NCF Tigers, courtesy of Alvin Margallo. Clean basket, clean 3, brought to you by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Napakagandang opportunity, napakagandang performance yung pinapakita sa atin. NCF Tigers still doing their best, as we can see sa ating highlights for the fourth and final quarter. Grabe yung mga highlights na highlights itong ating NCF Tigers, and that highlights is brought to us by, of course, ang ating media partner. We have Oragon Sports TV, and ang ating instant replays ay hatid naman sa atin ng Safe Gasoline. 6 minutes and 41 seconds remaining, and it's the ball possession of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Let's see with Sandigan for that baseline inbound.
Now, 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining here for our final quarter. It's 98-64 sa ating puntos ngayong last quarter na ito. And of course, Jasper, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors dito. We have KD Sportswear, Think Pro Incorporated, Crown Park, at Skytech Advertising. Maraming salamat po. Now, it is still the ball possession of ACLC Think Pro. Now, this is an opportunity for them, but with this time, 6 minutes and 27 seconds, mahaba-haba pa to. But at the same time, doon sa kalamangan na meron ngayon ng NCF Tigers, medyo mahihirapan yung ACLC Think Pro. Nabawasan niya knowing that NCF Tigers, ang ganda ng kanilang mga shootings dito, outside shooting with their defense, na talaga namang yun yung baon-baon nila ngayon dito. Pinaghandaan talaga nila kahit kukonti lang yung players na meron sila ngayon. Now, a whistle foul here. So it will be the ball possession of ACLC Think Pro. And Sandigan, once again, to inbound that ball. Now, Rempilio. We're almost halfway through our last quarter. Now, Sandigan for a three-pointer, no good. Now, Poon with that rebound. Once again, an attempt for three, and that's good. Para dito sa ating ACLC, but Margayo, hindi na ipasok yung opportunity na yan ng NCF Tigers. Now Tolosa, passes to Poon once again for a three-pointer, no good. Now medyo napalakas yung pasa doon para kay Betito. 5 minutes and 30 seconds, 98-69.
And it's a ball possession of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Sandigan magtatawid ngayon ng bola, and now Tolosa back to Sandigan. Will be fighting for three. No good on that shot. But here comes Vargas. No good on that follow-up shot. Joshua Ayo with that defensive rebound. NCF Tigers naman ngayon oopensa. Let's see, Joshua Ayo. Long three, Joshua Ayo. No good on that shot. And here comes Rempilio. Matatawagan nga dyan ang blocking foul, Joshua Ayo on the side of the NCF Tigers. Ayun na nga, 5 fouls na itong si Joshua Ayo. Naku, 5 na lang sila 10 na maglalaro. No substitutions. 5 minutes pa, mahaba-haba pa to 10. Grabing pangyayari to. But still, napakalaki nung iniwan nilang lamang for our fourth and final quarter bago naman na ma-exclude itong si Joshua Ayo. Now, Tiburcio.
Ngayon, Jasper, yung mangyayari dito, wala nang palitan. Itong 5 ito dito sa halfway ng
sila natin.
Oo, sila na lang yung maglalaro dito. So, titignan natin, konting minuto na lang yung kailangan nilang laruin dito. Let's see, Margayo, an attempt, that's good. But sinabi mo nga kanina, napakaganda na ng performance. Ang dami na ng puntos na kinontribute dito ni Joshua Ayo for NCF Tigers. So they just need to maintain this. At kailangan yung mga players dito ng NCF mag-ingat sa mga fouls. But at the same time, ACLC Think Pro, point conversion on their side here. Now umabot na sa 100 po yung puntos ng NCF Tigers ngayon. 171. A 29-point lead of NCF Tigers.
Now let's take a look at here kung anong gagawin nila dito. Alwin Margalio to Jimo Momone. Dininay naman kaagad yun ni Tolosa. Now, let's see. Grabe talaga yung mga pangyayari dito sa ating NCF covered court. Napakagandang laban. Napakagandang performance from both of these teams. Dahil, ayun na nga, talagang hindi naman talaga sila nagpabaya. Hindi naman talaga sila nagpaiwan basta-basta na lang. Now, Alwin Margalio to jersey number 7 Betito. Grabe yung mga connection nila, Tin. Well, kailangan talaga nilang mag-ingat dito dahil hindi naman ata pwedeng 4 na lang yung maglalaro for the NCF Tigers kung sakali man. But here comes Tolosa. Still pumupukol for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now Betito to Tiburcio.
Now, the NCF Tigers nag-enjoy na lang doon sa laro nila ngayon dito with this remaining 3 minutes and 2 seconds sa ating last quarter. And also, ACLC Think Pro, ang daming natutunan ngayong hapon na ito against NCF Tigers na talaga namang very open sila sa lahat ng pwede nilang matutunan sa mga veterans and the rest of the players of other teams. And now, we have 104-73 on our scoreboard. And still a very big gap coming from NCF Tigers. Meron na lamang po tayong 2 minutes and 43 seconds. And at this point, mahihirapan na po talaga itong ACLC Think Pro na humabol dito sa ating NCF Tigers. But still, they are giving their best dito from the defense to offense. ACLC Think Pro talagang napaka-positive pa rin ng kanilang mindset sa larong ito against NCF Tigers. Now, Cervantes, heavily guarded here, tries no good. And Sandigan with that rebound, nakikipagsabayan dito sa mga poste ng NCF. Pero they still coming from their team here. Margallo passes to Cervantes, a three-pointer, in and out ball, sayang, but bet dito for a second chance point. At papunta na po tayo, it is the last 2 minutes of this matchup of ACLC Think Pro and NCF Tigers.
Now, ACLC Think Pro Hawks, no good on that 3-point attempt by jersey number 0. And now Betito to Jimo Mumuni, 1 minute and 44 seconds remaining for our 4th and final quarter. Jimo, a long 2 mid-range jumper was good on the side of the NCF Tigers. Grabe. Still unstoppable NCF Tigers against the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Once again, no good on that attempt by jersey number 0. And now Tiburcio, a minute and 20 seconds remaining. Tiburcio passes it to Cervantes, back to Tiburcio, and now Alwin Margallo. A good ball rotation. Mumuni, wala na, sablay na yung mga tira dito nila sa labas. But let's see, Rempilio libreng-libre dito. At least nababawasan nila din yung lamang na nagawa nitong ating NCF Tigers. And we're down to the last 53 seconds of our 4th and final quarter. Cervantes on the outside for the NCF Tigers.
At ngayon, Jasper, mukhang hinahayaan na lang din ng NCF Tigers na makapagpuntos itong ACLC Think Pro. And they're just enjoying this remaining 39 seconds of this game. 108-75 on our scoreboard. Now, mukhang nag-enjoy naman itong dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, abangan po natin mamaya. It will be a big fight between these two greatest teams and biggest team dito sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. It is the JB Hort and Corsido Motors. And now, we're just waiting for the buzzer here for this matchup of NCF Tigers and ACLC Think Pro. We only have 17 seconds remaining. And I think that's it.
That's the end of our ball game. 108-75. Congratulations. 6 na players ng ating NCF Tigers against the ACLC Think Pro Hawks, still looking for their first win dito sa ating OPL Elavil Cup Season 1. But still, congratulations pa rin for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks dahil napakagandang performance yung nakita natin galing sa kanila and binigyan nila ng match na laban itong ating NCF Tigers. Diyan lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya po ay makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. Don't go away because we'll be right back. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto laging naming butit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon.
Ano, Moraga? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, home of the champions. At andito po sa aking tabi ang ating best player of the game. Again, it is Alwin Margallo, jersey number 14 with 29 points, 4 rebounds, 2 steals, at ito nga po ang ating best player of the game. Now, Coach, ano yung talagang naging advantage dito ng NCF Tigers na kahit kukonti lang yung mga players, nakuha pa rin natin yung panalo?
Siguro yung yung pagiging mga veterans na lang siguro. Kasi yung mga ibang players namin na nasa Persapay. So, sabi ka namin na talagang walang labasan na sa court kasi 7 lang kami. Or 6 na nga lang kasi yung isa namin may sakit. So sabi ka namin na laro na lang at least kasi mga bata yung kalaban namin. So kung tatakbo man, kahit pasabay-sabayan lang, okay na kami dyan.
So ngayon, Coach, sa mga susunod yung laro, mas matitindi pa yung mga kalaban ninyo. And then, siguro kumpleto na din ng NCF Tigers. Ano pa yung ipapakita natin sa NCF community?
Siguro yung pagiging as a team namin kasi next game sigurado complete na kami. Kasi tapos na yung persa and then yung mga susunod namin kalaban, yun na yung mga talagang more on mga veterans na rin yung mga kalaban namin. At
dahil ikaw, Coach, ang ating best player of the game, pwede mo na naman batiin ang inyong mga supporters and of course your family members.
Siyempre, shoutout sa boss namin, kay Sir Mario, kay Sir Joel, and sa mga teammates na nasa Sorsogon. It's okay na hindi natin nakuha yung sa regional, so marami pang time para makabawi. So that's the time na talagang mag-ensayo pa na mag-ensayo kasi siyempre marami pa namang league na darating. So yun lang, move forward and focus and back to work.
And again, that's our best player of the game, Alwin Margallo, brought to you by Naga College Foundation Tigers.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga ninyo or natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than jersey number 14, Alwin Margallo of the NCF Tigers. Napaka-commendable naman talaga nung performance na ipinakita nila this time. And dyan lamang po kayo because we'll still have our third and fourth game. It will be the Carcido Motors and the JB Hart for our third game. And of course, Safe Jazz Tire Masters and the USA Falcons for our fourth game. Once again, this is Jasper Abante.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Maraming salamat din po sa ating mga courtside reporter na nakasama. We have Chen and Casey. At makikita-kita pa po tayo mamaya lang sa ating third game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Moraga? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!